Here's part of Old Yankee Street. Came down through here, you can still see some blacktop. It came down through here. There's a nice tree. Pretty much disintegrated here. Still got the gravel base. Pretty much ends here, but it doesn't. It's just covered over, and then it will go out there, and it would meet up to Sunbury Road, Oxbow Road, which is over there, Big Walnut Road, which is right over there. And the covered bridge used to be out there. So there's the old roadway. Oh, I think I see a big piece of concrete right there. Sure what that is. Drainage tile. And over here is where my rod holder got ripped off. I don't think it's down far enough for me to see it. There's Old Yankee Street. There's the dead end of it. And here's Copeland Cemetery. I went through here one day and took pictures and videos of most of the tombstones. Then I got home and nothing came out. They got a new neighbor over there. But there's a lot of old 1800s, a lot of the original people of this area here are pioneers or homesteaders, or however you. A lot of 1800s. They also, something on one of the sites I looked at said it was also a pet cemetery, but I never seen no pets in here. Could be though. Okay, I'm killing time today, kind of in between things, so, but I'm up here in Galena, and most of you know about this trail here. But it is interesting. I mean, this used to be I think it's Old Sunbury Road. And then there was like houses and things that used to be here. I don't know. But it's kind of interesting that it goes back to, like, here's some sidewalk or something back in the day. I'll videotape some of this. Takes you down to the old bridge. Yeah, this is an old sidewalk here. So the road would have been over on that side. I'm kind of working my way over to this other area I want to check. But I don't think it's going to be down far enough. Little stairwell. Okay. A little hike here, so I may turn it off. It gets a little boring up here. About there, so. Coming back over to the roadway. You can see it goes down that way. Big walnut runs over that way. The boardwalk's over that way. And then little walnut. This is too long for you. Just fast forward through it. I'm just doing this for something to do today in between things. But it does get flooded up in here when springtime, high pool. And I've shown this before on some other pictures and things several years ago. But this is a new updated one. A lot of fallen timbers. Wasn't there a battle with fallen timbers? I believe so. But I believe that's up northwest corner. I think Tecumseh was in that battle. And you can see the lake's out there. The boardwalk is over there. My hand's a little cold. Got gloves on. Or one. But yeah, this used to be the other side of Old Sunbury Road. Now this over here will get flooded, which to me, I always think would be a heck of a flathead spawning area. If I was a flathead, that's where I'd spawn at. I mean, at times this roadway's even covered here. And it stays up into this timber for a while too, so good years. Over on this side it's just barren. got some pictures of them stumps out there before too. I've walked all that out through there, but it's still way too high to walk it. That's the boardwalk area, and what you see, or what's beneath you when you're out on the water out there. The old creek channel, stumps along it. And like I say, this side here is just full of fallen timber, and one right there that I about tripped over. Getting closer to the bridge. Roadway pretty much gone right here. It's just foundation, gravel, rocks. And I'm sure someone had to put there when they built the road. Ooh, my one hand's getting cold. Getting closer, I'm getting closer. And the video will be over for this section of it. Like I said, most people knows about this trail here, how to get to it. People come back here and fish all the time. So I ain't giving away no secret spots. But I've got some decent fish back in here before. I have never caught a flathead back in here though. Like I said, I think this would be a prime flathead spot. But I don't know, at times I think Hoover flatheads are a little funnier than but all that back in here gets flooded. I ain't gonna get my shoes too muddy, so I ain't gonna walk around too much in the mud. I'd like to know if the dragon hole's still over there though. Here's the bridge abutments. Old Sunbury Road bridge abutments. Creek. Dragon hole was right over that way. Gotta watch where I'm walking here. Not just be looking through the camera. I don't want to take a tumble. Ooh, my hand. Yeah, it's pretty cold. I almost thought about going out instead of doing some work and some other things. I'm glad I didn't. Like I said, I'd go to the dragon hole, but it's too muddy. I ain't gonna get my shoes. I'm only in my tennis shoes. Anyways, that's Old Sunbury Road bridge abutment up here in the North Pole where it's freezing. See all the rock they put here too. Things. Probably a little fast moving around here, but all right, that's it.